Hi guys, Tom here from Picote Solutions. Just thought it would be a good idea to do a Miller run through. We've added 2 or 3 new more machines to the fleet quite recently, so I thought it would be a good idea to give you an updated run through of the machines, the capabilities, and some of the specifics that they can do. So starting from the top, this is the big daddy of the machines. This is the Maxi Miller Power Plus. This is our 400 volt machine. It's got a 3/4 inch internal shaft, or 18 millimeters. It's got 59 feet of cable, so 18 meters straight out the gates. You can also add 2 extensions to this. The extensions are 11 meters long, or 36 feet. So you can add 2 to this one. So this machine predominantly is good for cleaning and descaling from 4 inch to 12 inch, cutting and reinstatements from 6 inch to 12 inch, line removal from 3 inch to 9 inch, and concrete grouts, slurries from 6 inch to 9 inch. This thing really is a beast. If you have a Maxi Miller and you come up against some concrete that you're really struggling with, or it's taking too much time, this thing will get the job done. Some of the tools that we have in the arsenal with the Power Plus are something to behold. They really are a beast. So yeah, this is the Power Plus. This is like I said, the biggest of the machines. So we'll step down now to the Maxi Miller. Hi guys, so here we have the Maxi Miller, one of our most popular machines. Voltage wise, we do 2 options in this one. We do the 110, we also do a 240. This machine has a 1/2 inch internal shaft, or 12 millimeters. Straight out the gate it comes with 30 meters or 100 feet of cable, and you can also add 1 10 meter or 33 feet extension to this machine. This machine will do cleaning descaling from 3 inch to 10 inch. It will do cutting and reinstatements from 3 inch to 8 inch, and it will also do brush coating as well from 3 inch to 12 inch. This is, in the ordinary fleet, taking out the 400 volt machine, this is kind of what most people class as the big daddy of the machines. It will do concrete, tree roots, rebar removal, metal removal, pretty much anything you throw at this machine, it should be able to cope with very well. So yeah, that's the Maxi Miller. So here we have our Super Midi. This machine is a 110 volt machine. This one has a 1/2 inch shaft, 12 millimeters again. It also has 65 feet straight out the gates, so there's 20 meters on there, and it's a 12 millimeter shaft. This machine will do cleaning and descaling from 3 inch to 6 inch. It will do cutting, line removal from 3 inch to 6 inch, and it also is able to brush coat as well in sizes 3 inch to 8 inch. This is a really good machine. What I would class personally is like not an entry-level machine, but somewhere mid-range in terms of price. It gives you pretty much all the capabilities minus the concrete cut. Obviously, the difference between this and the Maxi Miller, slightly smaller cable, slightly smaller capabilities in terms of pipe size. And obviously, you can't do the concrete one with this. All of the machines I've mentioned so far, the Maxi Miller, the Power Plus, and this, all have built-in electronic clutches. So if the machine was to snag up at any point or get into a bind, the electronic clutch would kick in and obviously stop the machine from working. So yeah, that's the Super Midi. Hi everybody, this is the Midi Cleaner. Now you'll notice this is a Midi Cleaner. Similar style frame to this Super Midi, but the difference between the Super Midi and the Cleaner, the way that I describe it best is, think of the cleaning machines, so this and the Midi Cleaner are designed to do just that. They're designed to clean pipes. Whereas the Miller, the range of Millers, they're designed to do just what they say on the tin. So they're designed to mill things out of the pipe, whether that be concrete, line removal, etc., etc. So think of this as more of a cleaning style machine rather than a milling machine. This is a 110 volt machine. It has 23 meters or 75 feet of cable straight out the gate. You can also add one 10 meter, 33 feet extension to this machine. Now, this and the Super Midi look very, very similar. Now, obviously the difference is this is a cleaner, that's a Super Midi. One of the things that makes this particular machine unique to the Super Midi is the actual shaft that we've put onto the frame. So this utilizes a 10 mil. So a 10 mil is 3/8 shaft, whereas the Super Midi is a 12 mil. And on the outer casing as well, on the black outer casing, we've actually designed a thinner outer casing, which makes it a lot more flexible of a machine. So it can do pipe sizes less than what the Super Midi can do. So for instance, on cleaning and descaling, we can get down to 2" on this, so 2" to 6". On cutting and reinstatements, 2" to 4", and then brush coating on 2" to 8". Now, when I say this machine is more flexible than the Super Midi, you can actually pass this through 90-degree bends in a 2" pipe. So if you have a 2" or a 3" gully pot, this will be able to navigate that gully pot perfectly fine. Great machine, slightly more versatile in my opinion than the Super Midi if you are doing just more of a cleaning reinstatement side of things rather than doing line removal on a larger scale. So yeah, that's the Midi Cleaner. So here we have our mini millers. I'm sure most of you have seen these before. This is the standard machine that you will all be quite used to. This is our 110 volt mini miller. And then this is also quite a new development, which is a battery mini miller. So similar features, both have an 8mm or 1/3 inch shaft. Both machines have 16 meters or 50 feet of cable straight out the gates on the drums. And you can also add one 10-meter extension, so 33 feet extensions to both of these machines. So size ranges, working size ranges for these machines are cleaning and descaling from 2" to 4". Cutting and reinstatements from 2" to 3". And obviously you can brush coat from these, which will do from 2" up to 6". Some slight differences though when we turn these machines around. This one has a mechanical start clutch, so this is the old start clutch. And this one, because this one has been redeveloped by us in-house, this one now actually has an electronic clutch built in, similar to the other machines that we've just discussed. Now, if I spin this machine around, you will notice we have no Makita buffer. We have a dedicated in-house built brushless DC motor. We also have the battery pack. The battery pack itself has a 3-hour continuous use working time, so that is 3 hours of the machine working at full capacity before the battery drains. One of the good features about this, you can actually remove the battery from the machine, so you don't need to take the machine into the property to charge it up. So you can just take the battery with its charger, charge it up inside, and bring it out and put it back on. I prefer the battery machine personally. I find the power delivery to be a lot smoother, and I find the power, it's got a little bit more power as well, it feels. So yeah, that's the battery mini miller and the standard mini miller. So here we have our mini cleaners. So this is the standard 110 version, and this is also the battery version. All the specs for the battery are the same as what we just discussed on the mini miller, so I won't go through them in too much detail. The only thing I will say is that on the battery mini cleaner and miller, you do have a battery indicator on the front, so it does tell you how much charge you have in the unit. So these machines are really, really good for small diameter pipes, anywhere from 1¼ up to 3". You will notice on the outer casing that the outer casing is corrugated, which makes it super flexible. So we're just about to upload a video specifically on the mini cleaner, where we show it going through multiple 90-degree knuckle bends in 1¼ 1½, and 2", going through 2" P-traps. As I mentioned, really, really flexible machine. So the similar internal shaft, so you have an 8mm or 1/3 inch internal shaft, but obviously with the corrugated outer casing versus the mini miller that has the thick outer casing. So pipe sizes, the working sizes for these two machines. We can do cleaning and descaling from 1¼ to 3". We can do cutting and reinstatements from 1¼ to 3". We can also brush coat from these machines as well from 1¼ to 3". Now, if you have a non-siphonic toilet like we do in the UK or most people do in Europe, you you can actually pass these machines straight through the pan of the toilet with the tool on the shaft to be able to clean the 4-inch stack pipe, but obviously without having to remove the toilet. So you just pass it straight through the pan, clean the stack pipe, and then remove it. So no need to remove a toilet. So yeah, really, really flexible machines, ideal for plumbers, especially the battery ones, ideal for anyone that's working in high-rise buildings, hospitals, schools, where you don't have to fight for a power source. You don't have to worry about slip, trips, and falls with cables everywhere. Really, really versatile machine on small diameter pipes. So yeah, that's the Midi Cleaners.